Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things we were wondering is what exactly it drives Windows 11 PC growth. So we now know that Windows 11 is around 70% market share, and Windows 10 is anywhere from 25 to 20 to close to 30%. It depends on where you get the numbers. If we look at numbers coming out of the Steam for gamers, Windows 10 is at like 23%. The latest numbers that we talked about yesterday on the global stats gives Windows 10 around 29%. So it's somewhere around there. There's a few percentage of play in the numbers, but there is something interesting. What drives Windows 11 sales? And Microsoft actually answered the question in the earnings call when they were talking about earnings, because Microsoft Windows earnings went down 5%. And that's because OEM sales were down. And the interesting thing that Satya Nadella actually said is that in reality, the Windows 11 growth came from the fact that they were saying that Windows 10 was at end of support. So before they announced that there was a first extension for a year, that moment where people thought, well, end of support is coming soon, made PC sales go up and people bought new PCs. Same thing with this year. Until Microsoft announced extension until October of 2027, PC sales were up because a lot of people thought this is the year that it's ending. So this is what actually drove most of the PC sales. It's end of support for Windows 10. Now, HP kind of said, well, what's driving PC sales is the AI PCs, like the Copilot Plus PCs and stuff like that. Well, the numbers are actually not saying that. The numbers are saying that AI PCs are not popular. People are not interested in not buying those computers. They are buying still the good old standard PCs, x64 PCs like we have, most of them without any neural processing unit and anything. So this tells you that the AI PC push isn't really working for Microsoft, and it isn't pushing Windows 11 sales up at all. So really, it's like every version of Windows. It always was like that with every single version of Windows. When did PC sales go up, and when did the Windows operating system pick up more market share? Well, when the operating system was near its end. And that's what pushed the next generation of PCs and Windows. And we are seeing the same thing here is that people, when they hear that Windows 10 is at end of support, are just buying a new computer. And that's it. It is still exactly like the old days, 5, 10, 15, 20 years ago. People are buying a new computer when a new version of Windows is available, and that the old version that they're using is nearing end of support. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.